again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a freshly wet canvas that is 12 inches by 24 inches. And it has a layer of Mead and black paint. I recommend it highly for making a black background on anything. I have a bunch of Prism pours from Colour Arte, and there's a 20% off coupon right underneath the video. And I don't feel like cleaning up yet, so I'm going to do myself the favor of using them as best I can. That was Egyptian coin. This is pink diamond. I have added today, instead of what I started with, which was a 2-ounce container, 1 ounce of vivid polypore, and as much color as I could fit in the container and mix it. I used some, added some GAC 800 the next day. That's to keep it from cracking. And I wanted it a little thinner, and I haven't tried adding water yet. But I did have an accidental, I did receive some GAC 100, which is basically just an extender. I want the dragon. So I put maybe 20% of that in here at least. I thought I would be pouring them all. I still want to pour them all. I'm going to try it. I have some wet paper towels and some Amsterdam black mixed into Aussie Floetrol. I think I'm going to do one more color, and that's going to be the claret. And hopefully there's enough of it. I basically just want to put some cell activator right on there. And I think I'm going to try black to start with. I'm going to poke it down a little bit like I have been with my others. I don't know how I feel about that yet. It's an experiment. I think I'm going to try the purple next. Maybe a little more of it. I wish I wasn't running out of the Amsterdam white. Purple is a dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby. I'm inclined to use the white now. I might want to cut one of my paper towels in half. And I do keep scissors handy for that. Not always easy when they're wet either. So bear with me for a moment. There we go. It's pretty wet. I have a curved side, not really. I think I'm going for the white on this side next. That was a very wet paper towel. Now I want a dry one to soak up my water on the canvas. So far so good. It's interesting. I have a couple more little pieces of paper towel over here. I might wind up using them. Right now. Because I can, sort of thing. I do find if I'm willing to squish the paper towel down into the paint that I am better off. I have not changed this in 4 strokes. So that's kind of brazen, but I'm liking what I'm getting. I think I'm going to take a little more purple right there. Try not to get rid of any of those nice cells. It just leaves these subtle stripes, so I kind of like doing that. I think it's going to have to be white again up here. Some residuals and go the other way. I kind of like this. It's a little on the subtle side, but not totally. It's the first time I've needed a break since I put my new turntable in place. I think I'm going to use that residual right down here. I want to try it. Where's my white? I don't even know if I can do this. Alright, it's on a very wet paper towel. That was a little risky. Oh, cool. Something stopped you from turning. Yay. Now whatever I want to do. Maybe grab the gold. Well, that wasn't part of the deal. But that's what I've got skewers for. If I can find a clean one. If I can't, I'll find a clean one. I will. Hopefully I'll get a little bit of sparkle out of that gold. Just need a few things for my balancing. I miss my squeeze bottles. It makes life so easy to use squeeze bottles for regular paint. I ought to tell you guys, oh, there's time, that I do sell my artwork. And if you have an inclination to inquire, use the email address right below the link tree, which should be directly under the video after you find the coupon for Colour Arte. I don't know that I need that many more gold lines because I'm really liking what I've got. But I want to think about it for a moment. I think I might want to kind of risk using the spoon, because I haven't actually drawn anything with a spoon yet. And it's an idea. And I'm brazing like that. Yep, it's very subtle. I think it would have been okay to have a little bit of bonfire in there. Which doesn't mean I can't do that, because I have some. Just something to liven things up a little bit, and I will use my skewer. I think one more. Right in the middle. Wow, that's brazen. Maybe a little, yeah. Too indecisive. Fortunately, I'm pretty sure, because there's black paint still damp on the background, that it's not going to be a problem. And if I have residuals, I'll just clean off my skewer somewhere else close by. Yeah, I really like the bonfire in there. I have to remember I did that. Subtle and beautiful. Good combination. If you can call purple and turquoise pink and gold and white and black subtle. Alright, I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I think no matter what angle I look at that from, it's got a certain amount of balance in it that makes your eye move around equally inside, and I'm loving those colors. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and while you're at it, take care of me by liking my video, sharing my videos, watching them longer, and maybe including the commercials for 30 seconds at least to help me out. I would really appreciate that. It helps support my channel. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting. Those of you who don't know, there is a monthly drawing, and you can find the drawing prizes on the exhibition video that I include on the end screen of this video and most recent videos. I just didn't like that black mark. I might even drag a skewer through, steal a little paint. I know it's going to fill right back in because it's heavy right there. There, I like that better. So I have over 2,300 videos. And I need to turn that light out so you can see this without the reflection, but I don't know what's going to happen when that happens, because it might be really dark in here. But that's gorgeous. Look at that. I'm sorry. Oh, so check my link tree for my Legalorist clothing made in Montreal investment quality stuff. My Society 6 that I populated with beautiful designs for the holidays, and I will continue to do so as I can manage to find the time. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more for shopping, pixels.com, Find It America, and if you can find it, Society 6 and or even Spring Clothing. Spring Clothing is below the video. It's another place other than Legalorist where there's all over prints on leggings and t-shirts. The Legalorist has all over prints on kimono tops and beautiful things. You might want to check that out. My paint pouring recipes are included underneath the video. My Amazon link is on the link tree. I have 2 books there because I can and unlimited possibilities. And if you shop the Amazon link starting at my link, you help me out. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. If you're looking for a video or a playlist, let me know. I have all of them organized by topic and genre and by the 100. But you can find them by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel banner, you're going to find the PayPal icon. And if you use it to make a donation, you'll be automatically invited to be in the monthly drawing. There are never more than 15 people or so in that drawing. And that makes your odds 1 in 15, basically. A pretty good deal. I'm not including shipping anymore. I can't afford it. But if you want to own a painting and they're not insignificant in price, which reminds me, if you are interested in purchasing an artwork, give me an email at EASPB, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. I also give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. That occasionally helps me buy art supplies. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'm really glad you joined me. You inspire the heck out of me. I love you much and dearly. Bye for now. I'll see you anon.